What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be rebuilding the Indiana Pacers. So as you know, they made the NBA Finals last year, but they fell short to the Oklahoma City Thunder, or OKC. So as you see on the screen right now, they lost. Tyrese Halliburton got injured, and that's probably the main reason they lost, because if they had him, they probably would have won. So let's send him to the draft lottery. Let's see who gets the number one pick. Okay, Wizards got number one. I want number one pick so we can get Cooper Flag. Cause we need Cooper Flag. I have to do that because I'm not allowed to use Tyrese Halliburton in this simulation, so I'm gonna accept it. But if this was real life, nobody that ever runs the Pacers should ever accept that. Okay, so Miles Turner, we're not gonna re-sign him. So this is our roster right now, but we're gonna get Cooper Flag since we have the number one pick now. So this is going to be easy. Let's send him to the NBA draft. Yeah, Cooper Flag, get on our roster. They actually just took the 3rd overall pick and drafted someone that's not even in the NBA. Oh. Let's see what we got. Trade offers. No, I'm not accepting that. Alright. Let's see. You were Demon, but I mean, we should go for a center, because we could. So we should go like Azanul, maybe Nick Clifford or Igor Demon. Let's go Igor Demon, because Azanul might fall deeper. So yeah. Oh yeah, we got Azanul. Let's go. Alright, those were our only 3 picks. We don't have any second round. Alright, so the draft is over. Now, it's over. Okay, so we got Coop, Igor Demon, and we also got Azanul. So that's actually like a really good draft for us so far. So let's see. We're not going to try and go for anyone too good here. So let's offer like Naz Reid, even though he's an amazing player. We're going to look for like role players so we could still get good players but have salary cap still. So let's get Nas. 14 mil seems good. Alright. Hopefully he signs with us. Alex Caruso. Ty Jerome, that's cool. You could sign him there or offer him a contract. 6 mil or 558. Alex Caruso. Yeah, that's a good contract. I think that's all we're gonna do, really. Unless we see someone else that we need, which we probably aren't gonna see. Why is this replaying? Hold on, guys. There's some technical difficulties. Alright, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. So, we're going to trade Aaron Nesmith because we need shooting guards. And he's actually, like, pretty good. He's coming off good playoffs. Let's see if anyone offers anyone good. Right now, ooh, I might go for Alvarado. Or maybe I'll go for Nick Smith. Okay, I think I'm going to go for Nick Smith. Yeah, Nick Smith. Alright, get on our team, Nick. Okay, they don't want that. I'll remove it. What? Alright, now it should be good. Okay, there. So, we got Miles Bridges and Nick Smith. So, that's pretty good. Let's see what else we get. So, Wemby is going to be a free agent next year. So, that's something to look out for. Alright, we're going to send into the season. Alright, let's see, guys. Dominating. Nobody wants you. Alright, let's see. Andrew Nemhard, who would accept that offer? He is actually, like, really good. I know I'm stating the obvious. Let's see. Alright, we're actually doing not horrible. So, 25 and 20. We're 26 and 22, which is not bad. We're 7th seed. So right now we're making the playoffs. Or we might not be making the playoffs. But we could. Okay, we're making the playoffs right now. We're in the playoffs picture. We're 5th, 6th, 7th, okay. 6th. Alright, just stay here. I'm fine with staying at 6th. Alright, let's hop in our first playoff game. I just did a little time skip. We were the 6th seed, and we're playing against the Cavs. They're the 3 seed. I'm trying to beat them right now, but I'm probably not. Coop, good. Alright, pop out, Ryan. Oh, by the way, we did sign Ryan Rollins. Malik Monk misses a 3. Andrew Nemhard, lock him up. Oh yeah, that's not good for us. Alright, let's fast forward. See if we can get the win. I don't think we can. Yeah, we're down like 22. Alright, yep. So, we're down 3-0 right now. So, we need some LeBron magic. Boom! Come on, LeBron. Bless us. It's not that bad. We're not down that much. It's actually kind of close. Oh, that was stupid of me to do that. Okay, good tie. Come on, we gotta find an open shot. Come on, post them up. Cooper the Hooper. We gotta switch. Oh, no. That was a bad shot. Why am I shooting that? Lock him up, Nick. That's not good. I mean, we can come back from 7. It's not horrible, but it's not good. So, oh, thank goodness. Let's go. How is that late? I'm gonna sim because clearly I'm not being good for us. Alright, let's go. Alright, come on, guys. Take the lead. Alright, we're up 4. 3, 4, 2. Alright, this is a good game. Alright, come on. Come on, let me clutch up. Good shots, Ty. Or good shot, Ty. Good shots, Ty. We're up 4. And that's game. Yeah, that's game. Let's go. We can come back like LeBron. LeBron did it, so can we. Alright, we're in our next game. We're actually kind of close. Come on, lock him up. Lock him up, DeAndre. Oh, wait, no. DeAndre, lock him up. Oh, Coop just got his dignity taken away. Alright, we're not wasting any time. Go. Drive. Oh, no. That's not good. Don't flame me in the comments. I'm just trying to make this video last longer because we're clearly going to get cooked and I only have 1 year to do it. Oh gosh, we're down 45 or 40. Wait, yeah, we're down 40. Yeah, we are not accepting that. Come on. Oh yeah, that's good. You like to see it? Alright, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. We can do it. Alright, let's simulate the game. We're down 3-2. I'm not going to quit any more games after this one. Alright, this is my last quit. Alright guys, so next game, if we lose, the video is over. But if we win, it keeps on going. So, let's see. Come on, win. Alright, we're up. Okay, one. I have to say that. We're down 13. Alright guys, that's gonna be the video probably. Yeah. And that's the video guys, bye.